Friends, now the CSL has posted all the model question papers. We were waiting for these model question papers only. So you all can also download. The very first link is of a model question papers only. You can see here GPT CST paper 1, GPT CST paper 2, PST PE paper 1, PST PE paper 2, AM PET GR1 P1, AM PET GR1 P2. P1 is paper 1, P2 is paper 2. So here in this class we will discuss a model question paper of Gpstr paper 2. In fact, I am not going to discuss the model question paper as it is from the question paper. I mean, I am not going to discuss the questions now. We can do it later. Now, what is more important is that what should be our planning for Gpstr mathematics preparation. So this class is dedicatedly discussing all about what should be your planning for Gpstr mathematics, or basically what should be your Gpstr mathematics preparation strategy. So I will show you the Gpstr 2026 new syllabus first. After seeing the syllabus, let us go and have a look on model paper. Then we will decide what should be the planning or what should be the preparation strategy. At the end of this class, I will show you what is the blueprint, because we have analyzed all the model question paper and the old syllabus and the new syllabus, because there are maximum similarities in the old syllabus and new syllabus of mathematics. So that's why we have analyzed everything and we have made a blueprint for you all. For that, you have to watch this class till the end and make sure you are not skipping any part of this class, because later if you ask your doubts personally, at that time we will not clear your doubts because we have already made a video. Okay, so you have to watch this video till the end and share this video maximum among your friends and all other teacher recruitment exam aspirants, because this is the right time for you to watch this video and make the plan or strategy for how to prepare for Gpstr mathematics. So this is the syllabus of Gpstr mathematics. This is a new syllabus 2026 which was given in the Karnataka school education website. So this includes number system, fractions and decimals, squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots, data handling, proportional reasoning, mathematics in daily life, basic algebra, equations, exponents and powers, factors and factorization, polynomials, introduction to Euclid's geometry, lines and angles, triangles, quadrilaterals, circles, constructions, visualizing solid shapes, mensuration, probabilities, symmetry, progressions, trigonometry, sets. Till then was there in your old syllabus also. In fact, permutation and combination was also there. But new syllabus is including analytical geometry. Of course, matrices and determinants was there in old syllabus. Analytical geometry, binomial theorems, vectors, linear inequalities and coordinate geometry. Of course, coordinate geometry was also there in the old syllabus. So basically now 4 topics which was not at all mentioned in the old syllabus. In analytical geometry, circles we have done all the basic portion, right? But now in the new syllabus they have included the advanced also, because they are talking about conic sections, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Of course, equation of straight line also is done in old syllabus only. So basically the conic sections part, binomial theorem, vectors, linear inequalities. These 4 chapters are literally new chapters which are added in the new syllabus, and aspirants are getting worried because of this chapters. For aspirants who are getting worried because of this new chapters, I have a good news at the end of this class. So this is the new syllabus mathematics portion. Now what was the model paper? Actually they have published this model paper yesterday night only they have published. So we have literally stayed with the model paper for the long time to make this video for you all and give you a nice preparation strategy, because we were getting many requests related to this. So before starting to watch this model question paper, I want to remind you all that Gpstr PM and Gpstr CB has been segregated. separately. Now, if you are a PM method aspirant, then you have to prepare only for physics and mathematics. If you are a CB method aspirant, you have to prepare only for chemistry and biology. So if you are a Gpstr CB method aspirant, then this class is not for you from the examination point of view. Okay, we will make separate class for a blueprint of chemistry and biology after this. Okay, so this class is basically for PM method aspirants only. One more important point. Aspirants were asking madam whether we have negative marking. See, you don't have negative marking. Your question paper will be only multiple choice based question paper. You will not have any descriptive part like in 2022. You will have only multiple choice questions. You will have only physics and maths questions. You will not have chemistry, biology. You will not have negative marking unless and until you forget to tick the fifth option. Actually, in this time, they will give you 5 options for each question. If you don't know any answer, in that case, you should not leave the question. You should tick the fifth option. If you don't tick the fifth option, then you will get negative marking for that particular question. So you have to be very careful. Your OMR sheet should be filled with the circles because there is no negative marking. Please keep this in mind. Don't leave anything. If you don't know the answer, then fifth circle you have to bubble and come. Okay, this much is clear, right? Okay, now let us have a quick glance on the model question paper. So this is the model question paper. They have given 40 questions for mathematics. See, you can see here 40 questions they have given for mathematics, and then after 40, 10 questions they have given for mathematics methodology. From question number 41, they have given mathematics methodology. So from our Gpstr 2022 experience, we can say that the model paper was tough, which was given in the Gpstr 2022 compared to the exam question paper, which was literally very easy when compared to the model paper. So that this I am telling only because of our experience. I am not telling you to take this paper lightly. This paper is our, you can say, roadmap now. Because one thing is guarantee, right? Question paper will not be more tough than this model paper. It can be easy like it was in Gpstr 2022, but it is not going to be tough more than this. So this much at least we know, right? So this is our maximum difficulty level of the question paper. So this is going to be a nice roadmap for us to prepare for all our subjects. Okay, so this particular video we are making only for mathematics. Later we will make for physics, later we will make for chemistry, then we will make for biology also. Okay, actually we will also solve this model question paper later, but in this video we will not solve it. We will just see what are the important topics. We have analyzed this question paper carefully and we have made this blueprint for you. So this blueprint is the actual roadmap for you now to prepare for your mathematics CET in Gpstr paper 2. So as per the model question paper and by comparing the old question paper, the old syllabus and the new syllabus, we have come to this conclusion of this blueprint. So according to this blueprint, the number of questions you can expect from geometry chapter, around 9 questions you can expect. From number system and real numbers, you can expect around 7 questions. Some 2 to 3 questions up and down may be there. So much exact though we can also not tell, right? But this is the most probable question paper blueprint, you can say. So algebra, polynomials, equations, all that you can expect 5 questions. Coordinate geometry, you can expect 3 questions. Statistics, 2 questions. Mensuration, 2 questions. And rest all chapters like percentage, time and work, fractions, probability, arithmetic progression, trigonometry, sets, complex numbers, and then permutation and combination, binomial theorem and matrices, 1 question each. So the good news is that in the model paper, they have not given questions from conic section portion or linear inequalities portion or vectors portion. 1 question they are given from binomial theorem, 1 question they are given from matrices. So this is a good news because aspirants who have prepared nicely for old syllabus are very lucky because the syllabus is not so much changed that you get worried. In fact, now also the prioritized topics are geometry, number system, real numbers, algebra, coordinate geometry, polynomials and all that, which was there in the old syllabus also. So this blueprint you can take screenshot or you can write down. This is going to help you in preparing for your exam now, because you have very less time, and you should also give time for other subjects also. Like if you are PM aspirant, you have to give time for physics also, because physics maximum portion has been changed, and you should also give time for paper 1, because so much things are there in paper 1 also. So that's why we would advise you to go with the smart work rather than hard work, because you have less time now. Okay, so I will show you the prioritized chapters which you have to focus first, then go for second priority, then go for third priority. See, third priority means I am not telling you to neglect or ignore. You have to touch third priority chapters also, but that you can do in the last if time permits. First, what you have to do is you should go for priority 1. What is the priority 1 chapters? Geometry. So after watching this video, you should literally start working on geometry, number system, real numbers, algebra and polynomials, linear and quadratic equations, coordinate geometry and trigonometry. So because all these are chapters from the old syllabus, so if you are aspirants who are preparing from old syllabus, or if you are our paid class aspirants who have joined earlier and you all are preparing since batch 1, then you are very lucky now. Even if you are a HSTR aspirant also, even if you are a Gpstr aspirant, or for that matter, even if you have taken our Karnataka TET paid course also sometime, this is going to help you a lot now. So this is your priority 1 chapters. Once you are done with this, then go for priority 2 chapters. What are the priority 2 chapters? Mensuration, statistics, progressions. In that also you give more importance to arithmetic progression. GP, I mean geometric progression and harmonic progression, very less chances are there. Mostly 99% they will ask from arithmetic progression only. Then probability, sets, relations and functions, permutations and combinations. Binomial theorem also, if you want, you can ignore, because you have many other chapters here. I am telling because binomial theorem is the new portion, right? Then matrices and determinants. So this is your priority 2. Once you are done with priority 1, quickly go to priority 2. Then come for priority 3. In fact, these are also easy chapters, like symmetry is there, exponents and powers is there, Euclid's geometry, constructions, visualizing solid shapes and all that. They are easy only, right? Some are tough chapters like vectors, linear inequalities. Then commercial mathematics, little lengthy it is. Conic sections is also tough. So you can just have a glance. So that's why for paid aspirants, we are giving the shortest possible and easiest notes for these new syllabus chapters. If you just learn so much, it is more than enough for your exam. You don't need to watch lengthy classes, or you don't need to use big notes for these chapters. Whatever we are giving you is more than enough. Okay, so these 3 priorities you have to focus. Remember, some questions are very easy questions, like direct formula based questions are there in the model paper. Some questions, in fact more questions you can say, are concept based and are calculation based. So if you are our paid class aspirant, then make sure you watch all the old syllabus classes, because every concept is important, and that is what is your priority 1 and priority 2, which is from your old syllabus. Because maximum 20 questions will be there which will require concept and calculation. So aspirants who are just going for our notes will regret later. I am telling again and again right from the beginning, aspirants who are going for only notes will regret later. Aspirants who are watching our classes and making notes will only crack this exam. So this looks very weird that why madam is telling like this, but this is what is the practical situation. If you just follow the notes, you will not understand concepts at all. How will you be able to answer those maximum 20 questions which are concept based? So that is very important for you. You have to watch all our classes from the old syllabus. Then some 9 to 10 questions are tricky questions. They may be from the new syllabus also, and they may be figure based reasoning also. For that also practice is needed. Okay friends, so remember now you have less time, so you should do smart work. Priority is very, very important. So that's why you have to share this video with all your friends. In fact, if you are a paid class aspirant, then this video is very, very important for you, because we have done with this priority only. So you can watch the classes based on this priority and prepare quickly. Okay, so meet you in the next blueprint. Really hope that you all are taking all this seriously and you all are taking the new syllabus content also seriously, because whatever new content is there, it is made with a lot of strategy in order to save your time also, and in order to make you prepare in the best manner also. Okay, thank you. All the best. Bye.